Joe Kane here from Rocks Coronado. So today I was walking on the beach this morning and here in Coronado, and came across a little stone. Looked fairly plain looking, but it was pretty obvious that it had some colors on it, some paint on it, but it had been worn off, and it was really difficult to tell if there was an actual design or if maybe it was just multicolored. So anyway, I decided to do a little recycle job on it, and so this is kind of how it went. That's my recycling of a rock that I found. So if you recognize the original rock and maybe you painted it, let me know. I'd love to hear from you. It's interesting to see where these things end up, and now it's going to find its way back out there with a whole new life. So hopefully you'll find it out here in Coronado or some other close by area. Thanks for watching, and check me out on Instagram and Facebook, #JoeRocksCoronado. Thanks. See you later.